Hello, my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Get ready to be mesmerized by the elegance and poise of Princess Kate Middleton. From her stunning wedding dresses to her impeccable fashion sense, Kate has become a global style icon. So join us as we take a closer look at her fascinating life from her childhood to her royal duties as the Duchess of Cambridge. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, we are thrilled to share that our channel has just reached 3000 subscribers. We are grateful for your support and cannot wait to share more exciting content with you. So my beautiful viewers, subscribe to our channel for more royal updates, fashion insights and inspiring stories. Thank you all for being part of our community. Your engagement and enthusiasm means the world to us. So hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all our latest videos. My beautiful viewers, Kate Middleton attended SG Andrews School in Penkrum, Berkshire, where she excelled in sport and music. Kate's parents, Michael and Corley Middleton, instilled her a strong sense of value and work ethic. Kate studied art history at University of SG Andrews in Scotland, where she met Prince William. Kate and William met in 2001 during their first year at St. Andrews and they become fast friends. Rumors of romantic relationship between Kate and William began circulating in 2003. As Kate's relationship with William became more public, she faced intense media scrutiny. Kate graduated from the university in 2005 with a degree in art history. After graduation, Kate worked as an accessory buyer for a clothing company. Prince William proposed to Kate in November 2010 during a private vacation in Kenya. So Kate spent months preparing for her wedding, including choosing her iconic wedding dresses. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, please watch this video till the end and share this video with your family and friends. And if you are a fan of royal lover and a fan of Kate Middleton, please subscribe my channel and share this channel with royal fans lover and your family members. So Kate and William married on April 2011 at Westminster Abbey. After the wedding, Kate became the Duchess of Cambridge, a title previously held by the Princess Diana. As the Duchess of Cambridge, Kate undertook various royal duties including attending official events and supporting charities. So Kate gave birth to her first child, Prince George, in 2013, followed by the Princess Charlotte in 2015 and the Prince Louis in 2018. Kate became being praised for her hands-on approach to pretending, often taking her children on public outing. Kate has become a global fashion icon with her outfits and hairstyle frequently emulated by fans. Kate supports various charities including focus on children's welfare, mental health and the arts. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, I request all of you again, please watch this video till the end and share this video with your family and friends. Kate has spoken publicly about the importance of mental health awareness and sport. Kate is an accomplished photographer, having taken official portraits of her children and other members of the royal family. Kate is a keen sportswoman enjoying activities such as tennis, sailing and hiking. Kate has accompanied Prince William on numerous royal tours, including visits to Australia, New Zealand and Canada. So as the Duchess of Cambridge, Kate plays an important diplomatic role, meeting with foreign dignitaries and promoting British interest. Kate has spoken out in support of women's empowerment, advocating for a greater equality and opportunities. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, please watch this video till the end and share this video with your family and friends. Kate has faced intense media scrutiny throughout her time in the public eye, but has learned to navigate the challenges. As the wife of Prince William, Kate will one day become Queen Consort, supporting her husband as a monarch. Kate has demonstrated a strong commitment to the royal duties, carrying out engagement and supporting charitable cases. Kate prioritizes her family life, spending quality time with the husband and the children. And Kate has embraced various royal traditions, including attending the annual Dropping the Colour ceremony. Kate has helped modernize the monarchy using social media and the other platforms to engage the public eye. So Kate has become an inspiration to young women around the world, demonstrating the importance of hard work, dedication and compassion. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, now we are going to talking about her fashion life, her hairstyles, her makeup tutorial and royal dresses. So watch this video till the end and share this video with your family and friends. So whether you are looking for everyday hair inspiration or special occasion, Style Kate's hair is the perfect muse. So sit back, relax and let's dive into the world of Princess Kate Middleton's beautiful hair. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, don't forget to subscribe for more hair tutorial and inspiration. Hit the notification bell for new videos alerts. Share your favorite Kate Middleton hair moments in the comments below. So get ready to be inspired by the Duchess of Cambridge's gorgeous look. In this video, we are diving into the Princess Middleton's stunning hairstyle and sharing her top tips for achieving beautiful, healthy looking hair. From her signature bouncy to her elegant updots, cat hair always look effortless chic. Whether you are looking for everyday hair inspiration or a special occasion style, Kate's hair is a perfect muse. So sit back, relax and let's dive into the world of Princess Kate Middleton beautiful hair. So my beautiful viewer, from her university days to royal engagements, how her hair has changed over the years. Iconic hairstyles that made headlines, Kate's morning and nighttime hair routine, hair favorite shampoos and conditioner. We also now going to talking about tips for achieving healthy shiny hair, Kate's go-to hair products for styling and finishing, her favorite hair tools and accessories. We also now talking about how use them to recreate her looks, step by step guide to achieving Kate's signature, tips for adding volume and texture, how to finish with a sleek polished look, Kate's more stunning outdoor looks, tips for creating her elegant style, how to add your own personal touches. Now we are going to talking about wedding hair inspiration, Kate's iconic wedding day hairstyle, tips for achieving a romantic effortless look, how to incorporate personal touches into your wedding hair. Now we are going to talking about red carpet hair, Kate's most memorable red carpet hairstyle, tips for achieving glamorous high goals hair, how to make a statement with hairstyle, everyday hair inspiration. Now let's talk about hair everyday inspiration, my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers. Kate casual everyday hairstyle tips for achieving easy effortless hair, how to add a touch of royal style to your daily look. Now we are going to talking about hair tips and tricks of Kate Middleton. Princess Kate top tips of healthy beautiful hair, how to overcome common hair struggles, tips for adding volume, texture and shine. So in the depth reviews of Kate's favorite hair products, how they perform and whether they are worth the hype, alternative option for different budgets and hair. Now we are talking about my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers. I am so glad you are enjoying this video so far. So let's dive deeper into the Kate's hair and makeup secrets, from her go-to stylish to her favorite product. I will be sharing it all and how you know to recreate her iconic looks at home. My goal is to inspire you with Kate's beauty choices. So if you want to know about more of Kate Middleton, please subscribe my channel and click the notification bell. From her early days as a commoner to her current role as the Duchess of Cambridge, We will dive into her fashion evolution, role life, and biography. Let's get started. Kate Middleton was born on January 9, 1982 in Reading, England. She grew up in a loving family and excelled in sports and academic. Before marrying Prince William, Kate worked as an accessory buyer and later as a photographer. She met William at St Andrews University in Scotland. Kate's fashion sense has transformed over the years. From casual university days to elegant royal appearance, she became a royal icon. As the Duchess of Cambridge, Kate sports her husband and undertakes various royal duties. She is also a devoted mother of their 3 children. From her stunning wedding gowns to her bold red carpet looks, Kate's outfits are always highly anticipated. That's the story of Kate Middleton, a true rags to royalty tale. Her fashion sense, role life, and dedication to her family make her a beloved figure worldwide. Thanks for watching this video. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, she was born in 9 January 1982 in Reading, England. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, I wanted to tell you about my YouTube channel. I wanted to take a moment to talk you to all about something important. First, I want to express my gratitude to each and every one of you for subscribing and watching my videos. It means the world to me. However, I want to be honest with you. Creating content every day, it's incredibly challenging. It takes a lot of time, efforts, and resources. That's why I need your support. If you enjoy my content, please consider watching all my videos, liking and commenting on them, sharing them with your friends and family, and subscribing to my channel if you have not already yet. With your support, I can continue creating high quality content for you. I have some exciting plans and collaboration coming up, so stay tuned. Thanks again for listening, and I look forward to your continuous support. Let's grow this channel together. So my beautiful viewers, before becoming a royal cat, Style was already turning heads. She favored classic timeless pieces with a touch of bohemian flair. As a royal cat's fashion choices are scrutinized worldwide. She is rising to the challenge, becoming a global fashion icon. Kate's daytime style is effortlessly chic. She often wears British designers and high street brands, making fashion accessible to all. So when it comes to evening events, Kate dazzles in glamorous gowns. She is a master of subtle yet striking fashion choices. Kate's accessories are always on point, from her trusty LK Bennett heels to her elegant fascinators. She knows how to complete an outfit. As a royal cat's life is one of luxurious. She attends exclusive events, wears bespoke designer pieces, and enjoys the finest things in life. Kate draws inspiration from fashion icons past and present. She is often compared to Princess Diana for her classic elegant style. That's a wrap on Princess Kate Middleton fashion life. She is a true style icon, and we can't get enough of her stunning outfits and accessories. Thanks again for watching. My beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, please tell me in comment box what do you like in my videos and which type of video do you like in future. So Kate often turns to trust designers for her royal engagements. Alexander McQueen and Jenny Peckham are two of her go-to labels. Kate's not afraid to mix high-end with high-street fashion. She is often spotted wearing affordable brands like Zara and Topshop. Kate's hat game is strong, from elegant fascinators to statement hats. She knows how to top off an outfit. Kate's jewelry collection is invaluable. She often wears pieces from the royal collection as well as modern designs. Kate's shoes are always on point. From sleek style totes to comfortable wedges, she has a pair for every occasion. Kate's handbag collection is impressive. She favored classic design from brands like Mulberry and LK Bennett. Kate's outfit is always stylish. She often wears tailored coats and jackets from British designers. During her pregnancies, Kate's style remained effortless. She often wears flowing dresses and comfortable coats. Kate's sporty style is relaxed yet style. She often wears athletic wear from brands like Nike and Adidas. When representing the UK abroad, Kate's fashion choices are diplomatic and thoughtful. She often wears local designers or incorporates cultural elements. Like any fashion icons, Kate faced criticism from
accusation from being too safe to wearing too much. McQueen, she's navigated it all. Kat's style is timeless. She avoids trendy pieces, opting from classic designs that stand the test of times. Kat's fashion influence extends beyond the royal family. She inspired countless women to find their own personal style. Kat's fashion legacy will be one of the elegance, sophistication, and approachability. She redefined royal fashion for the modern era. Kat's fashion choices are carefully considered. Her team of stylists and advisors help her create looks. I upload new videos every day from fashion tips, trends to product reviews and hauls. And if you have any question for future video, don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all my latest videos. So I will see you in the next video.